So some of the benefits about wearing human hair are you have the ability to style it exactly how you want. You can wear human hair straight one day, you can go curly the next, you can go wavy the third day. Just the possibilities are really endless when it comes to human hair. Another thing I love about human hair is the movement of it. It just moves so naturally and really moves like your own hair. Unlike synthetic, human hair doesn't have a little bit of that shine that some synthetics have when you first get them. So you're not going to notice anything when it comes to shine. It's going to look just like your own biological hair. I tend to wear synthetic hair more often than not just because of its ease. You take it out of the box, it's ready to go, you wash it, it's really simple. So with human hair, you have to be prepared to put a little bit of work into it. So there's a different set of care instructions. You have to treat it a little bit differently. But my advice would be almost to anybody who jumps into wearing hair is to have a variety of fibers, because synthetic, there are limitations, and it's great and I love it, but I completely see the benefits of human hair because you do get to do some things that you can't do with synthetic hair. So when it comes to human hair, you do have to be prepared to invest a little bit of time in it. So you can't just air dry it, really. It's not going to give you the best look. If you air dry, you do have to put forth a little bit of effort when it comes into flat ironing or curling. But to get the most natural appearance, and for what most women are going after when they wear alternative hair, human hair is going to give you that. So when I wear human hair, I just feel like a better version of myself. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just feel like me 2.0. So I love feeling the feel of human hair like on my neck, because it touches you and you feel it throughout the day. And because it feels so realistic, because it is human hair, you just feel on top of it.